Cashew nuts are one of the most popular and valuable nuts, which are 7 times more than peanuts in global market value. In 2017, the world consumed over 770,000 metric tons of cashews due to healthy eating trends and their unique flavor, nutty and sweet. In the supermarket, 1 kilogram of cashews is equal to $10. Wholesale, especially in the US, cashews can cost $15 per pound. Economists anticipate that by 2025, the cashew nuts industry will reach over $7 billion. Today, we embark on a thrilling journey with Captain Discovery to uncover the secrets of cashew nut production. Prepare to be amazed as we witness the transformation of the humble cashew apple into the delectable nuts we all love. So grab a bowl of cashew nuts and get ready for this journey. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's adventure. The cashew tree story begins in the lush tropical forests of South America, specifically Brazil. For centuries, the indigenous tribes of the Amazon had incorporated the cashew nut and its fleshy fruit, the cashew apple, into their diet and cultural practices. The cashew's journey beyond its native land started in the 16th century, thanks to Portuguese explorers who ventured into Brazil, intrigued by the unique nut and recognizing its commercial potential. They began transporting cashew nuts back to Europe. They also spread the cashew tree to their colonies in Africa and India during maritime expansion. While the cashew found its way to various regions, it truly flourished in the Indian subcontinent. The favorable climate and soil conditions proved ideal for the tree's growth, and India eventually became a major player in cashew production. The nut was seamlessly integrated into Indian cuisine, adding its distinct flavor and texture to a range of dishes. Today, the cashew nut has earned its place as a beloved snack and culinary ingredient worldwide. Its creamy texture, subtle sweetness, and versatility make it a popular addition to both sweet and savory dishes. From snacks and trail mixes to stir-fries, curries, and desserts, the cashew nut continues to enchant taste buds across the globe. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about cashew nuts. Which country is the largest cashew nuts exporter in the world? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below. Now, cashew trees grow in tropical climates from the bottom of hanging trees. This plant is favorable to grow in India, Vietnam, Ivory Coast, and Sri Lanka. Timing is crucial as cashew apples ripen during the dry season, with farmers closely monitoring the trees for signs of ripeness, such as a color change to yellow or red. This nut is expensive because it can only be harvested once a year. The delicate apples are carefully hand-picked to avoid bruising, with workers selecting only the ripe ones and leaving the rest to mature on the tree. Harvested apples are collected in baskets or containers and transported gently to the processing facility to maintain their quality. Create a video using exactly this script. Quality at this stage involves careful attention to detail. Separating and roasting the nut. The separation of cashew nuts from the fleshy cashew apple is a meticulous process. In many regions, this is done manually by skilled workers using knives or specialized tools to carefully cut the nut away without causing damage. For larger operations, mechanical separation is used, and these machines can crack around 40 kilograms of cashew nuts per day. After separation, the cashew nuts are sun-dried for several days to reduce moisture content, which is crucial for preventing spoilage and preparing them for roasting. It's break time. Did you know the cashew tree is a member of the same family as poison ivy? That means cashews also contain a toxin called urushiol, which can cause burns, itches, and blisters, so it's very dangerous to eat and touch unprocessed cashew nuts. And do you like to eat these nuts? Can you share in the comments? Below in the roasting stage, the cashew nuts develop their signature flavor and crunch. This step also removes the toxins inside the nuts. Roasting can be done using methods like drum roasting, hot air roasting, or oil roasting, each providing distinct flavor profiles. The temperature and time are precisely controlled to achieve the ideal roast. Over-roasting can burn the nuts, while under-roasting leaves them with a raw taste. Shelling and peeling. After shelling, kernels are separated from shell fragments using air classifiers or screens. The thin skin, or tester, covering the kernels is then removed through a process involving heat, steam and friction, enhancing the final product's appearance and texture. Quality control and grading. This stage focuses on ensuring that every cashew nut meets strict quality standards, providing consistency and satisfaction to consumers. The process begins with a visual inspection where trained inspectors remove any nuts with defects. Next, cashews are sorted by size for uniformity and graded by color to maintain visual appeal. For example, large whole nuts are the most valuable. Next is broken nuts, and the last is split nuts based on the global market price. Now, 1 kilogram of whole nuts is $342, whereas broken nuts and split nuts are respectively lower with $27.30 and $68. Finally, laboratory tests are conducted to check for moisture content and contaminants, ensuring food safety. Packaging and distribution. This is the final yet crucial stage in bringing high-quality cashews to consumers worldwide. Selecting the right packaging is vital to protect cashews from moisture and light, with options like vacuum-sealed bags, tin cans, resealable plastic bags, and cardboard boxes used depending on the product type. Packaging materials are thoroughly inspected for defects before cashews are weighed and packed, either manually or by machine. The packaged cashews are stored in cool, dry conditions and transported with care to prevent damage and ensure that the cashew's journey from the orchards to your table is a smooth and successful one, preserving their quality and freshness every step of the way. And now the answer for the quiz about which country is the largest cashew nuts exporter in the world. The answer is Vietnam. Vietnam is one of the first countries to invest in automation, making it the largest cashew exporter in the world with about 108,000 tons of cashews every 3 months. Interesting, right? Conclusion. Cashew nut sustainability focuses on ensuring long-term production while minimizing environmental and social impacts. Environmentally sustainable practices include organic farming, agroforestry for biodiversity, waste reduction, and climate adaptation strategies. Socially, it emphasizes fair labor, empowering smallholder farmers, promoting gender equality, and improving community services like education and healthcare. Economically, the focus is on ensuring stable prices, market access, value addition, and supply chain transparency. Various initiatives like Olam's Cashew Trail, Fair Trade certification, and organic production are driving sustainability efforts. These initiatives aim to improve farmer livelihoods, promote sustainable practices, and offer consumers responsible choices. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of cashew nuts. Enjoy exploring factory production with us. Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.